Girls, hey girls. Got another one down there. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of The Scuba Driver. My name is Steven. I just want to give you guys a couple of updates. I know it's been about a week since I've made a video, but I've been really busy getting a few things ready. First off, I want to give a little bit of a house update. I actually changed my game room back into my office. I had the office upstairs, but it wasn't very convenient. It didn't really look that great up there. So I got this nice new couch. I've got my new birds over there. You can see they're making a lot of crazy noise right now. That's Verde. The reason I did this is because I'm going to start editing my videos here a little bit more often. Gives me a nice little space to get my work done as well. But the big update is my garage. As you know from my other videos, you can tell my garage has been really dirty. Right now it still kind of is, but I've got all of this stuff right here. This is all going to a dump today, and I'm going to be able to get my car, the Subaru, into the garage so I can start working on it a little bit more here, but more importantly, I can clean it as well. I usually do everything in my driveway, but the garage will be clear this afternoon. One more little animal you guys have not seen yet. This is my bunny. His name is Mustache. He's a little scared right now, but that's okay. He's hiding out, trying to stay cool. He thinks he's hidden from everybody right there. But yeah, we've got a little bit of a zoo here. We've got 2 birds, 2 dogs. I've got my mom's 2 dogs out there, or in there. And we also have 2 turtles as well. So the zoo just keeps growing, but more animals, more car parts. That's exactly right. But anyway, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go take the Subaru. I'm going to go pick up my buddy Landon's truck, and we're going to take all this stuff to the dump, and we'll have the garage nice and clear. Then we're going to clean the Subaru. Let's go. I completely forgot that I have a ton of boxes in my car right now. Who said the Scion FRS isn't practical? Look at all this. Anyway, my mom needs all these, so gotta go run all these over to her house too. Alright guys, we got this big truck here. It's a Chevy, but it's got some GMC wheels, so I'll let you guys decide what this thing is. But anyway, it's huge, so we're gonna get all this garbage, trash, furniture, workout equipment, a bunch of stuff I don't need that's broken. I'm gonna get it into that truck so we can clear out this garage so the Subaru can fit in here. Also my wife's Nissan Cube. Probably not gonna keep it in here to keep the bunny safe, but it's definitely somewhere where I can work on my car, clean it, and keep it in here when it's raining and stuff. So anyway, let's get that into that truck, and just like this, voila. So got all that crap in there. It's really hot out here though. So you're asking why I didn't get this? This is actually a shuffleboard table. It's in fairly decent condition. I've had it since I was a kid, and I'm not going to toss it because it's definitely still usable. So I'm going to take some pictures of it and list it for sale online, and then I'll take it apart and lean it against this wall over here so it's just kind of out of the way. But if you're watching this video and I haven't sold it yet, what you can do is if you're interested and you're in the Charlotte area or anywhere in North Carolina, I can meet you somewhere. If you want to buy this from me, I'll give you guys a really good deal on it. I mean, it's a really nice one, but I'll definitely give you a good deal. So if you drop a comment down there if you're really interested in it, and we can meet up. And then this is just going to my my mom's house. She redoes furniture and sells it, and it's a pretty good working order chest, so she'll probably get that going. I also have some stock Scion FRS parts over here. I've got it listed for sale on Facebook, but you know, if any of you guys are watching this video or you follow me on Instagram and you want to buy any of this, I'll give you a really good deal. Pretty much just need to get rid of it. I've got some stock FRS tail lights. They're pretty much in perfect condition. One of them has a tiny little crack. I'll have to find it, but it's very small, hardly noticeable. I've got these stock springs here. We also have all 4 stock struts. One of the rear struts is broken, so I do have 3 in working order. I know people are always looking for those. So if you guys need any of that, just drop a comment and I'll meet up with you, or I can even send it to you if you want me to. Let's get that to the dump so we can get the Subaru back here and check it out. Alright, so we got the truck back at the race shop here. This is my friend, actually it's my sister's fiance, Landon. He's my best friend. This is his race shop here. This is his trailer. They got a race car. He does some dirt track racing. He also has a really nice muscle car in there that we're gonna definitely make a video with at some point, so stay tuned for that. We're gonna hop in the Scoober, head home. It is it's about 100 degrees here in North Carolina. I'm not sure exactly how hot it is where you guys are, but let me tell you, it is like a different kind of hot right now. So hopefully get the car in the garage, see if it fits. And this actually will be the first time the Scoober has actually ever been in my garage because it's been such a big mess. So let's get home, see if it works. So you can hear how loud it is from the inside. Let me know in the comments. You can set something up. Alright, no time to get a ticket. Alright, so I got my garage all cleaned up now. Got the shuffleboard table listed online. I got it for right now. I took it apart. Laid it down right there, but that should be gone within a few days. It should sell pretty quickly. I just had to rearrange, turn my game machine sideways. Still not sure if we're gonna keep that or not, but for right now it's turned right here, so my car should be able to fit in here theoretically. I got it all cleaned up. Let's see if she fits in the garage. So this is the first time the Scion has ever been in my garage. And man, I gotta say, I'm pretty excited about this. I can still back it up a little bit. If I put it at an angle, I think it will fit a little bit better in there, especially if I pull it in forward. And once that game machine's gone, it'll fit in even better. But now I'll be able to clean the interior of my car, do some work on it in here. Finally have my garage. Every car guy wants a garage. I've had this garage for 3 years, never really used it for anything car related, other than just a couple of times with some other cars. But yep, really excited about this. The real reason I'm making today's video though is because I did announce on Instagram the other day that I actually got a new sponsor. This will be my second sponsor, but this one's actually pretty cool because it's a car part sponsor. So in the next couple of weeks, should be the end of next week, beginning of the week after, hopefully sooner than later. I've got some really cool parts coming in. We're gonna install them on the FRS. It's probably gonna be the hardest install that I've ever done personally on a car. There's a lot of work that goes into it, so I want to make sure to document the whole thing, make an install video. Really looking forward to that. Thinking about announcing it before then, but I don't know. I think I think you guys are just gonna have to wait. But please let me know if you have any guesses to what you think this part might be. It's something I've always wanted to do to some of my cars, but never really had the budget for it. But now that I have the sponsorship, I've got some pretty good savings, and I'm going to have a discount code. And you guys, I'll be able to pass the savings on to you guys if you choose to work with this car company that is sponsoring me. I'll make sure when I announce it that I'll give you guys my discount code, and I'll start tagging them on all my Instagram posts as well. This Saturday, I will be going to 1 or 2 car shows. I'll either be at Cars and Coffee, Concord, North Carolina, or I'll be at Caffeine and Horsepower in Weddington, North Carolina this Saturday. I might have time to go to both, but I'll definitely be there. I'll announce on Friday, I'll announce tomorrow, exactly where I'm gonna be. So I'll be out there making some videos. If you're out there and you see me, make sure you say hello. Come check out the Scuba if you haven't seen it yet. And if you have a cool car, you know, or if you have a car you want me to put in my video, I'll definitely make sure I come check it out and put you guys in there. But anyways, thanks again for watching, guys. If you haven't already, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for some more content. And looking forward to bringing some more videos your way. See you guys soon. Peace.